Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Sriram Siddhartha from BVRET. Today we are going to dive into one of the most underrated yet powerful features in Java, enums. You know, if you ever wonder how to handle a fixed set of constants efficiently, this video is for you. In this presentation, we are going to learn about how enums are used in switch statements. So let's dive. Introduction to enums. What are enums? Enum stands for enumeration. It is a special data type used to define a fixed set of constants. So the fixed set of constants should be predefined. So we have an example here. It's a days of weeks, some planet names, names of months, etc. So why we use enums? So they're used to improve the code readability. They provide type safety. They restrict the invalid values or the because the constants we are defining in the enums are predefined. So it works in switch statements. It is mostly used in switch statements. So how to define an enum in Java? We have a syntax for this. We have an example code. So we have to use the keyword enum and followed by the name of the enum we have to use. And here we have an example enum planet. So we are keeping Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn in there. There are some examples for enum. Uh, all these are predefined, and we have planet. The name of this enum is planet. A planet is an enum with four predefined constants in it. So we have enums. So enums help in organize and related constant in a structured way. We have the structure followed by the enum. Okay. And let's see next. We have an example code here. It is started with the enum planet. Okay, we just define these are the predefined values: Earth, Mars, and Jupiter. So we took a class named enum switch example. This is an example class, and we have a public static void main here, or main section, and we are going to define some variable myPlanet using this planet keyword. Okay, this is the type planet, and we are using the myPlanet variable name, and we are accessing this Mars variable from the planet. So we are doing this planet dot Mars. We are doing the dot operator here. So using switch statements, switch myPlanet is using the planet name that is a variable here, and we have cases for this. We have case earth for the first element here, case earth. We are just printing you are on earth, and after this we are going to break out of the switch statement. So same following with the case Mars. We're doing Mars here, and we are just printing you are on Mars. So after that we are going to break it. We're just doing same with the Jupiter, and we're going to break it. So we know how switch statements works, right? So we have a default. If the values we are entering is not any of this, then the default statement will be executed. It will be printing unknown planet, right? So as we are just invoking the mass from this, we are using dot operator to invoke the mass. So case statements will catch this mass. This will be executed. What is this statement? System.out print. We are going to print you are on Mars. So this will be printed and we'll be getting out of the loop, right? Yeah, out of the switch statement. We are going to next part. What are the advantages and conclusions? So coming to the advantages, advantage of using enums in switch statements. So switch statements improves the readability. You know how it does. It just simplifies the decision making. We're using in switch statements also. You just directly you can use. And coming to it, it just prevents the invalid inputs as it only ensures the predefined constants. We are going to define predefined constants in the enum. So it does prevents the input values, invalid values. So coming to next value, optimize performance. The switch statement works efficiently with the enums. We know that's why we use switch statements. We use the case. And coming to next, encapsulation. Enums can be used. It can include methods. It can include constructors. So encapsulation will be used here. We are going to block a statement like this in a capsule. Uh, it means it is. So coming to the next one, what is the conclusion? Enums in Java provide a structured way to handle the fixed values. So already the values we have defined in the enums are already predefined. So they structured the predefined values in there. They work seamlessly with the switch statements for the clean and maintainable code, and commonly used in state management, login levels, and the game development. Used in game development. So yeah, thank you. We'll meet in the next video. That's all for now. Good night.